Prepare to be amazed when you see this incredible new Alexander floor plan from First Texas Homes. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3 1/2 bath home features a stunning brick elevation with optional covered porch and stone accents. As you pass through the entry, you'll find a private guest apartment with kitchenette, living area, large bedroom with bay window, and full bath. Across the foyer, you'll find a formal dining room that's just perfect for entertaining family and friends. This spacious family room features high cathedral ceiling with optional exposed beams, hardwood flooring, and a spectacular custom fireplace. Just off the family room is an open California kitchen with large center island, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, double ovens, custom cabinets, and a roomy breakfast nook. The master bedroom boasts a high ceiling and bay window with room for a cozy reading area. The impressive master bath with spa-quality amenities includes a relaxing garden tub, separate shower, and bi-level dual vanities with makeup space and available granite countertops. A quiet children's retreat or study area separates the 2 remaining secondary bedrooms of this Alexander floor plan. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Alexander floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.